हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ हर्षवर्धन रावत और आज मैं स्टार्टिंग आई एम एक्चुअली स्टार्टिंग विद माय फर्स्ट व्लॉग. So basically, because of the lockdown that is going on, it's been almost 2 months, I think. After almost 2 months, I mean, there's a lot of boredom that people are facing, including me, and people are also getting psychologically affected by it. So I just had a thought that, hey, let's come up with something so that we can make it very interactive for you all, and you all can see the way we हम लोग एक दूसरे के साथ जब भावनाएं बांटें तो फिर उसके साथ ही साथ आप लोगों को we can connect with each other that way. And yeah, let's just try to bring out as much positive vibes as possible, and try to keep ourselves going in this tough phase. So first I will show you my hostel room. So जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, I'll just entering my hostel room, and this is, whoa, look at this bed. This is the bed that belongs to me. And अभी अभी ये साफ देख के पता चलता है कि ये इंसान जो है बहुत ही सुस्त है, एंड तब से बस लेट के चिल ही कर रहा था ईयरफोन्स के साथ. इसके साथ ही साथ दिस इज़ हिज डेस्क, ऑल दिस लैपटॉप एंड वगैरह वगैरह, वट एवर, sanitizers and all. And this is the second bed. My second roommate has gone back home, so I have occupied this bed too, because there are a lot of bed bugs in this bed. But if I look at this bed and I look at this bed, like, it's actually kind of complicated, because इन दो बेड्स की कहानी ऐसी है कि इस बेड में कभी कभी बेड बग्स आते हैं, कभी कभी. जैसे जब इस बेड में बेड बग्स नहीं होते तो मैं यहाँ पे लेटा रहता हूँ, जो कि मैच था. और ये बेड इज़ लाइक अ बैकअप बेड. समटाइम्स जब हमारे रूम में दूसरे रूम से मेहमान आते हैं तो कभी कभी यहाँ पे सो जाते हैं, कभी कभी मैं भी लेट जाता हूँ. कभी कभी जब यहाँ पे बेड बग्स होता है तो मैं यहाँ पे लेटा रहता हूँ. एंड या, सो दिस इज़ द स्टोरी ऑफ माई बेड्स, एंड दिस इज़ माई रूममेट्स टेबल, जिसको हमने एक बहुत अच्छा सजावट करके रखा है, बिकॉज सिंस आवर रूममेट हैज़ गॉन, सो वी हैव मेड दिस प्लेस एज अ प्लेस टू stock everything up on. This is my nimbu pani which I'll be having right now. This is my roommate's bed. This is संजोत अपना पबजी में बिजी है, खेल रहा है, एंड साथ साथ में हम लोग मटरी भी खा रहे हैं एंड नींबू पानी पी रहे हैं, बिकॉज इट्स अ स्नैक टाइम. इट्स 4 o'clock इन द इवनिंग. तो फिर 4 o'clock को नॉर्मली हमारे हॉस्टल में स्नैक्स का टाइम होता है. यहाँ पे हम लोग मुश्किल से कपड़े धो के अपना कपड़े सुखाते हैं. A gym mat, our exercise kits. This is how we preoccupy ourselves during the evenings. Sometimes mornings. We have very odd timings. जब भी समय मिलता है तो कुछ ना कुछ हम कर लेते हैं. डम्बल्स हैं 2 kg 5 kg के, कुछ ना कुछ हम वर्कआउट करने की कोशिश करते हैं. And this is the environment outside. So basically, this is where we sort of try to get some fresh air. You just open the windows and बस यहाँ पे we just birds around. थोड़ा बहुत हम लोग खाना वाना डाल देते हैं इस छज्जे में, सो दैट द बर्ड्स कैन सॉर्ट ऑफ फीड ऑन वट एवर इज देयर, बिकॉज एज यू वेरी वेल अवेयर इन दिस टफ फेज, animals and birds, they're all hungry and they need to be fed, they need to be given water. Speaking of water, अरे हाँ, मुझे भी पानी पिलाना है birds को. This is pretty much our room. This is our kitchen. This is where we wash our dishes. इसके साथ ही साथ हमारे साथ एक बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग इंसिडेंट हुआ था यहाँ पे. You see the switchboard over here, this one. So basically this was stinking, and this was stinking for the past 1 day, and then उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि एकदम से इससे बहुत सा smoke निकलने लग गया. There was sparks that was coming out, and we guys sort of got freaked out. So we switched off the main the main supply. फिर हमने मेन सप्लाई ऑफ किया था, तो फिर उसके बाद फिर द होल रूम वाज स्टिंकिंग ऑफ समथिंग दैट हैज़ डाइड, एंड प्रोबब्ली वी वर सस्पेक्टिंग दैट टू बी ईदर a lizard or a rat. तो फिर बेसिकली क्या हुआ था कि वी हैड टू वेट द होल डे, एंड फाइनली हमारे जो हॉस्टल के को इंचार्ज हैं, he came and he helped us in sort of removing the switchboard and पता चला there was a lizard, a dead lizard that was stuck in between. So that was really eeks. And I had just taken a bath, so इसके साथ ही साथ क्या हुआ कि we were supposed to dispose it off. So we dumped it in the dustbin and we disposed it off outside. What I have decided is that to come up with a no bed policy. Yeah, a no bed policy. That's the policy that I'm trying to come up with. So no bed policy is basically because you are just lying around in the bed all day, you are lazy, you don't feel like doing the work that you want to do. For example, I don't feel like making the videos that I want to make, so that is why I'm making this particular video, so that we all can share that positive vibe together. So bed is only meant for sleeping. That's it. Let's keep it that way. And if you're just sleeping for 6 to 7 hours a day, it's good enough. But unfortunately, during this phase, people are sleeping for like more than 12 hours, especially me. So that's why let's just try to preoccupy ourselves with some other things, the other activities that we can do. We can sit over here, we can do our assignments, we can do our work on the laptop, we can sort of binge watch whatever we want to, we can read books, and we can also visit the other rooms of our friends. We can visit our parosis who are also busy on their own sphere. So I guess we all have to come out and well, that's that, guys. So hope you see things the way I am seeing right now, and those who are not seeing the things the way I'm seeing right now, hoping that they are seeing things in a very better way and they are progressing day by day in terms of being optimistic, in terms of going with the flow. So yeah, guys, take care. Bye bye.